Hi everyone! Welcome back to Miss MJ's YouTube channel. We have a very special guest today.
Hi, my name is Victoria. What are we making today?
We're gonna make banana bread.
Sounds delicious. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. It will help out a lot.
For the banana bread, you'll need half a cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 3/4 cup of flour, a greased pan, 4 to 5 ripe bananas,
some vanilla extract, melted butter, and eggs.
We will start by placing the bananas in the oven for about 20 minutes until they're very black. Bake the bananas at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Victoria, I noticed your beautiful apron. Where is it from?
It's from Guatemala. It's made from local textiles. I noticed you're wearing the one I brought you from Carlos Bakery.
Yes, we love to watch Carlos Bake Shop together, and she brought me this cool apron from New York City.
Shout out to Carlos Bakery.
When the bananas are done, an adult can help you open them up and let them cool before you mash them. Let your bananas cool and then mash them in a bowl. Mix the eggs, vanilla, butter, and sugar. Mix in mashed bananas and flour. Scrape the sides of the bowl and add chocolate chips. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Thank you for coming to bake with us, Victoria.
You're welcome, anytime.
If you like Victoria, you can follow her on Instagram at Crafty Victoria Shop. See you next Friday.
Bye.